Hi, I'm Emily Boff, one of the customer success coordinators here at Equips. This video will demonstrate how employees or new users can create their own login for the Equips app. So first, go to app.equips.com, then click on the sign up hyperlink. From here, you'll be prompted to enter in your email address, and the app will recognize your organization by your email address domain. And then create your password, and then click sign up. Once complete, you'll receive an email from service@equips.com asking you to confirm your account. This is what the email looks like, and click on the verify email link to verify your account. Click log in. And finally, you'll be prompted to type in your full name and phone number. And click continue. As always, please reach out to your account advisor with any questions.